meeting, how was your experience, and what's your thought process before coming to the one-to-one and now when we are completing this one-to-one? Over to you, Jayanthi.
Thank you so much, sir. I really, enjoyed whatever you explained. I had no idea about investment and all. I'm just a beginner, and it has really helped me. And now I have more clear thoughts than I had an hour ago, I would say. And it has really completely changed my mind. And now I think I can go with the investment plans you suggested, and it's really gonna work for a brighter future. I'm sitting here, but I can imagine my future right now. So it was an amazing conversation with you, and whatever you explained, I'm gonna take more and more guidance from you from now onwards, and it was really helpful.
Thank you.
So
Thank
we're
you,
definitely gonna plan more.
What is the one best learning you have got? What is the one best thing you learned? Okay, this which completely shift your mindset from point A to point B. Like the habit
Best
of,
thing, actually, each and every part was the best thing for me. Whenever I talk to you, I always learn something new, and the best ever thing is the term plan you explained that everyone should have, and the SIPs you explained, that was also the best thing, that even you can start even with a small amount. You don't have to earn lakhs of money a month or a year. You can start with a very few amount in the beginning, and you can reach the higher level as much as you grow.
Great. Thank you very much, Jayanthi, for your wonderful words, kind words, and I wish you a very successful financial journey so far, and I wish you to retire as per your wish as soon as possible at the age of 35, 40, 45, you wish. And once again, thank you very much for your valuable time with me. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.